come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me, me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi, aka DeFi Bully. Let's get into it. As you guys can see, there is officially about an hour left before the launch of WinBinary. WinBinary, the platform with the 5 different streams of income, 5 sources, 5 ways that you can make income, passive income, people in the bear market. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell because you know I bring that content at a fast pace. And also, after you like this video, marry the video. Thank you. All right. WinBinary, people, is about to launch. Probably about time you see this video and such. So what you guys want to do when this thing launches, y'all want to get into this miner. You feel me? It's similar. It's 8% daily. Similar setup like how baked beans and those were. It's a good way to hop in on these things early. We know how these miners go. Okay. It's good to get in early, ride a TVL all the way up and so forth. And then we got the gambling platforms of this, or the gambling aspects of this WinBinary. Oops, maybe I should have connected. But this right here is a crash game, which is a gambling game. You stop it before you stop the rocket before it crashes. Okay, you keep riding it up to potentially put some more X's on your money, more zeros on your money. But there's a chance you could get wrecked and not win anything. I mean, that's how gambling is. On the last buy jackpot, okay, the win bet, which I'm looking forward to, where a lot of sports betting and such and things of that nature. Okay, let me sign into one of these. Even though it's not completely live as yet, but everything about this is just beautiful. You guys want to get that bag up early, getting some early. This one might be it. Okay, people? This one might be it right here. It's WinBinary. This is the win bet aspect of it. There's a miner. There's a last buy jackpot. There's just different ways to make money with this. Let me get back to the official site. Okay. Now, you are going to be getting paid your rewards in BUSD, people. All right. I might also cover the launch. I'm not even sure yet, but I'm going to upload this one in a little bit. Let me just run back through WinBinary for the people that didn't know. WinBinary is a Binance Smart Chain dividend token protocol that rewards BUSD to its holders. BUSD rewards are reflected from 10% buys and sell taxes on transactions, okay, and weekly manual reward pool from all the listed utility development revenue, 50% share. All right, why WinBinary? Diverse ecosystem. WinBinary is an ecosystem with 5 different features, and I mentioned this earlier. Where the center is our token, the WinB token. We provide different features using a huge amount of data in our database, where players and users can be rewarded WinB tokens with a compounded interest. Okay, come on now. From betting activities to trading options and crypto. Like, to my knowledge, this is the first of its nature. You always hear a lot of people talk about they're going to do it. A lot of tokens say a lot of projects want to actually make this happen. WinBinary is here, people, and it's launching right now. So be tuned in. I'll put the links to everything down below. The Telegram group, if you guys want to do, they're doing a live video chat during the launch. I might cover that as well. It's Nasa Binkabi. I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But WinBinary is not going to wait on you. Hop in early, people. Let's get it.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.